Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Google Chrome sync paused problem. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once it's launched, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see three vertical dots. This is your Chrome menu icon. Go ahead and click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can manage all aspects of your browser's configuration and preferences. Once you're in the settings menu, look at the left sidebar. You'll see several categories listed there. Navigate to and click on Privacy and Security. This section controls how Chrome handles your data, cookies, and browsing security, which is exactly what we need to adjust to fix the sync issue. Within the Privacy and Security section, scroll down until you find an option labeled Third-Party Cookies. Click on it to access the cookie management settings. This is a crucial step because sync problems are often caused by restrictions on third-party cookies which Chrome needs to properly communicate with Google's servers. Now you'll see different radio button options for how Chrome handles third-party cookies. Click on the radio button next to allow third-party cookies. This change enables Chrome to use the cookies necessary for syncing your data across devices. Allowing these cookies is essential for the sync feature to work properly. After enabling third-party cookies, scroll down a bit until you find a section that says Site allowed to use third-party cookies. Right beside this text, you'll notice an Add button. Click on this Add button to manually whitelist a specific site that Chrome needs for syncing. A small field will appear on your screen prompting you to enter a website address. In this field, carefully type account.google.com. Make sure you spell it exactly as I mentioned. Once you've entered it, click the Add button to confirm. This step ensures that Google's account services can always use the cookies they need, even if you decide to restrict third-party cookies in the future. And that's it. These changes should immediately resolve your Chrome sync paused problem, allowing your bookmarks, passwords, and settings to sync across all your devices again. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.